Hey guys, this is Clint Quisenberry here at Karl Kustoms. Today we have a 1969 Corvette here in the shop. It's equipped with the Holley Sniper EFI system. We love seeing these on older vehicles because of the advantages they have over a carburetor. Whether it's a hot rod, muscle car, or off-road truck, these are simple to use and simple to install. These systems bolt right onto any 4-barrel intake manifold, just like a normal carburetor, as you can see. So if you take a look, you can see it completely attaches with no modifications needed. There are a few electronic components that have to be wired in, but the system comes with everything you need and steps you through the process so it's as seamless as possible. The benefits you get with a system like this are bolt-on installation, simple calibration, self-tuning as you drive, and it'll help put an end to cold start issues, hesitations, vapor lock, and flooding. It's also available in 3 different colors to match your application. Our shop is equipped to help with installation, programming, and even fine-tuning on our engine or chassis dyno. Give us a call today to help us find the right EFI system to fit your needs.